Hello students and welcome back. In this video we are going to do subtracting measurements. ठीक है, हम measurements को कैसे subtract कर सकते हैं. We are going to learn in these videos by doing a lot of practice. So let's read the first question that says let's now subtract 1 meter and 26 centimeter from 2 meters and 41 centimeter. ठीक है, तो आपने इसको subtract करना है. Bigger number first. In this case the bigger one is 2 meters. ठीक है, तो हम लिखेंगे 2 meters and 41 centimeter. Okay, इसी तरह next we have 1 meter and 26 centimeter. We have to subtract these numbers. G 1 minus 6 cannot happen, so we have to borrow it from the next number, that is 4. 4 से borrow करेंगे तो it's going to be 3 and 1 will be carry forward. ठीक है, तो 1 जब carry forward हुआ तो it became 11 and 11 minus 6 is 5. Right, so we have 3 now left. We are gonna subtract it from 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Next 2 minus 1 is 1. ठीक है, so we are gonna write the units with the numbers given. Okay, so this is the answer of the first question. That is 1 meter and 15 centimeters after subtracting these numbers. ठीक है, let's read the next example that says a shopkeeper has 38 meter long rope. If he cuts 12 meter out of it, how much length of the rope will be left? How much will be left means के कितना रह जाएगा बाकी. अगर आप word problem की sense में देख रहे हैं तो it will be confusing for you whether you're gonna add the numbers or whether you're gonna subtract them. ठीक है, तो अगर हम subtraction की बात करते हैं so we have to write over here the bigger number first, that is 38 meters, and then we are gonna write 12 meter. इन दोनों numbers को हम subtract करेंगे. Okay, so 8 minus 2 is 6 and 3 minus 1 is 2, that is 26 meters. So how much rope is left? It's 26 meters. So we are gonna write over here the length of rope will be 26 meters left. ठीक है, let's move on to the next slide and do the subtraction of the next example. So there is 4 liter and 850 milliliters water in a bucket. So we have 3 liter and 840 milliliter was removed from it. ठीक है, इतना पानी present था और इतना उसमें से निकाल लिया गया. How much water is left? कितना पानी इस bucket में बाकी है? So we're gonna do the subtraction. सबसे पहले बड़ा unit हम लिखेंगे, that is 4 liter and 850 milliliter. Next we have 3 liter and 840 milliliter. We're gonna subtract these. Okay, so 0 minus 0 is 0, 5 minus 4 is 1, 8 minus 8 is 0, right? तो हम इसको mention नहीं करेंगे and we'll write the unit over here. Next we have 3 minus 4 and the answer is 1 liter. So how much water is left in the bucket? It's actually 1 liter and 10 milliliter. The water left in bucket is 1 liter and 10 milliliter. Okay, so this is the statement you will write after doing the question, that is word problem. Okay. Next, moving on to the next slide and practicing some more subtraction questions. So these are the easy ones. 5 minus 1 is 4. Let's write the unit next to it. 8 minus 2 is 6. And let's write the unit next to it. Then we have 61, or इसमें से we have to subtract 1 from 2. That means we have to borrow, because 1 is a smaller number than 2. तो इसको हम करेंगे 5 and we give 1 to 1. So it becomes 11, and 11 minus 2 is 9. So it's 9 centimeter. 5 minus 1 is 4, तो ये हो गया 49 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है, और 2 minus 1 is 1 meter and 49 centimeters. Alright, moving on to the next example, the last one, that is 11 centimeters को 10 में से करेंगे तो it's 1 centimeter, and 6 minus 2 is 4 meters. So this is the answer of the last question. I hope you guys understand that. I will be giving you a lot of practicing materials so that you would understand how you can subtract or add the similar units into each other. See you guys in the next videos.